welcome to my channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. This is going to be a reading for you from November 30th to December 7th, 2020, and I shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card for you, which will serve as a message for you from the universe. Please do remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. They could be for you, your person, or simply a person you're dealing with, or a situation you're dealing with. It could also be cross energies or vice versa energies for some of you who are kind of cross watching for the zodiac for someone else. Okay, it does happen sometimes. So just take in what resonates with you and let the rest go. For those of you who are looking at a private or a personal reading with me, please feel free to email me to schedule a reading. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below. Alright, so let's move on, Virgo, and check out your reading from November 30th to December 7th, 2020. Alright, your overall energy for this reading, Virgo, is the King of Pentacles. You definitely are in control of your finances, of your position in the house, or in society in general. You are on top of your game. You're extremely focused. You are looked upon as someone with a lot of authority, and you have everything going for you right now. This looks like the overall energy for your reading for this week, but let's see where this kind of takes place, okay, or where it sets in. When I look at your recent past, I see the Two of Cups, the Lovers, and the Two of Wands. I definitely see a partnership, a relationship. It could be a marriage between two people, a union between two people, and I also see wanting to take this to the next level. You know, it could mean a young couple who are probably in a relationship for very long and wanting to take the next step. Or this could be a relationship as in a marriage where you have children, you've been together for a while now, and now looking at the next steps. Perhaps your children growing up, getting into universities and colleges, or you know, probably wanting to settle down, or this definitely looks like a plan that has been working on your mind in the past, you know, about settling down somewhere, or basically looking at what are my next steps to kind of stabilize my family. I see that kind of an energy in the past. When I look at your current energies, Virgo, I see the Four of Swords, I see the Wheel of Fortune, and I see the Nine of Pentacles. Very clearly, you have done what you can. You are in a situation where you have laid down all your cards. Okay, you have kind of whatever you've been planning, okay, in the past, you definitely had an objective, and you have kind of brought that into your current situation, wherein you have taken the steps to get to that goal or whatever that you had set out for yourself and, you know, the people involved in your life. You definitely have some plans. You have kind of laid down those plans. You have taken the steps, you know, to make that happen. But that's all you've been able to do, because now it's a time to just wait. You've done your bit, and I see you waiting probably to see where this is going to take you, whether your plans are going to materialize. So, you know, it looks like you've invested in something and you're waiting for something to mature, to get the right fruit. Okay, so I see that like a waiting game in the current situation. With the Wheel of Fortune here, this is definitely looks like a very, very good card for you, where whatever you have tried to do for your family or for your relationship, I see that working out for you now. Okay, whatever your plans were, you have done whatever you could, and looks like now you need to wait, and I see that you will get the right result. Okay, I also see the Nine of Pentacles here, which talks about abundance, getting what you deserve, and almost coming to, getting some kind of a change in your life, which will be the closest to your goal. So I see you just going closer and closer to your goal. And with your energy here, with the King of Pentacles, it's very obvious that you will get that. Okay, it's just that it's a waiting game right now. It may look like a never-ending waiting game. Yes, it probably will. Wait for a couple of months perhaps, but I definitely see things going your way. Okay, in the future, I see the Ten of Pentacles, I see the Chariot, and I see the Emperor. So I definitely see your plans, your efforts all coming together, a union of two things. Effort not just by you, I think even your family has helped you kind of get to that goal or that plan, and you're all working towards this together for the benefit of everyone. Okay, and I see that happening with the Ten of Pentacles, a completion, the happily ever after. I definitely see that in the future. I also see movement in that direction. Whatever will materialize will probably go in the direction you want it to go. So if you have plans of moving somewhere, it will happen. I definitely see you working on those plans and it materializing for sure. Okay, I also see you in the Emperor mode. This is a very, very good space to be in as an outcome, where I see now, it going a full cycle from you just planning to making it happen, executing it, and then reaping the rewards. I see a very happy, satisfied, and a strong person who has got it all. Okay, and with the Emperor here as a very strong card, and the King of Pentacles here, I definitely see that your wait was worth it, your silence was worth it, your efforts and then putting it out all there was worth it, because you now need to just wait for the results, which is definitely going to happen, go your way. And I see definite and quick movement in the next 6 to 7 months. And I also see you getting to a point of satisfaction where whatever you had planned for so hard, it will all come to fruition. So I see a very satisfied and a very happy, accomplished kind of an energy at the end of the day. All right, so this is going to be a very, very exciting week for you. And I also see that you will continue to keep making these efforts in the right direction, and you will slowly get there. Slow and steady, but you will get there. Okay, so that's what I see for you, Virgo, for this week. Let's move on to seeing what the messages for you from the universe are. Messages for Virgo for the week of November 30th to December the 7th, 2020. Messages from the universe. Inner child healing, as in you need to take care of yourself, your feelings too, your dreams, your whatever that makes you happy. You need to kind of focus on yourself as well as others. So your healing is also very important for you to be able to help others. That's the first message from the universe. The second one is advising you to listen more deeply. Listen not just to the sounds around you or what the people are advising you, but you also need to look within and listen to your gut and your intuition. You need to do that, because you definitely are being watched and helped by the universe and the angels around you. You have the right spirit guides watching over you. So all it's telling you to do is listen deeply, because you are being advised, you're constantly being shown a direction for your success. So don't kind of ignore that. Okay, if you hear that inner child inside you, or that the conscience talking to you, you need to pay heed to that. Raise your vibration. Clearly this is what the universe is saying, that you need to kind of, whatever you manifest or whatever you really want, you need to raise your vibration, let it reach the universe. Because if you put it out into the universe will come back and let that happen for you. That's why we always say that it's very important that you manifest for what you want, rather than focusing on manifesting what you don't want. Okay, so manifest positive things and it shall come back to you. So you need to raise that vibration so that it kind of reaches the universe, so that the universe answers you back and gives you what you most deserve. So those are your messages, Virgo. I will now see you next week. Till then, do take good care of yourself and stay safe.